Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build credit with Chase Sapphire, detailed guide step by step clearly. Building credit with the Chase Sapphire card can be an effective strategy for many. Start by applying for the right Chase Sapphire card that fits your financial goals. Consider the Chase Sapphire Preferred for travel rewards or the Chase Sapphire Reserve for premium benefits. Once approved, activate your card to begin using it responsibly. Aim to make small, manageable purchases each month. Use your card for everyday expenses to ensure consistent usage. Always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Set reminders or automate payments to maintain your payment history. Keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% for optimal credit score benefits. Review your statements regularly for accuracy and potential fraud. Stay within your budget to prevent overspending and ensure timely payments. Consider adding authorized users to your account to help build their credit as well. Monitor your credit score regularly through free resources or services from Chase. Utilize the rewards you earn strategically, boosting your credit card value. Be patient, as building credit takes time and responsible management. Maintain a long-term relationship with Chase to benefit from their credit products. Over time, you'll likely see improvements in your credit score from your diligent efforts. Once you establish strong credit, consider exploring additional credit options for better rewards. Remember, consistency and responsible usage are key to building and maintaining credit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.